Gangsters, hoodlums, crooks. To be honest, America has always been captivated by crime and the sharp-dressed, trigger-happy men who dominate the underworld. But one story remains criminally neglected, that of gambling kingpin Stephanie St. Clair, aka Madame Queenie, the Robin Hood of Harlem. Unsurprisingly, details of St. Clair's early life are a little murky. Was she born in France in 1887, as she would have us believe, or on the Caribbean island of French Guadeloupe in 1897? Either way, St. Clair arrived in New York in 1912, an educated, bilingual teenager ready to take a bite out of the Big Apple. It was an era of significant social change. As a result of the great migration of African Americans from the southern states, over the next few years, the black population of Harlem quadrupled to 200,000. This coincided with the Harlem Renaissance, an explosion of African American culture and creativity, spearheaded by the likes of singer Ella Fitzgerald and civil rights activist W.E.B. Du Bois. St. Clair found her niche in the city's criminal underbelly, cutting her teeth as leader of the 40 Thieves, a small-time gang committing small-time crimes, before moving into the numbers racket, a form of illegal gambling that saw people place bets and play the lottery on almost every street corner. In the 1920s and 30s, most forms of gambling were illegal across the United States, but Harlemites viewed St. Clair's operation as a positive influence on their community. Banks would not accept African Americans as customers, so here was an opportunity to invest their earnings and improve their circumstances. Madame Queenie, as she came to be known, had the community's back. She provided jobs where there were few available, set up a legal fund for French-speaking immigrants, and paid for newspaper ads to educate the black community on voting rights and how to support local businesses. Queenie's numbers game was so successful, it caught the attention of infamous mob boss Dutch Schultz, who began to muscle in on her territory, with Queenie using all of her street smarts to defeat her rival, before retiring as one of America's most successful, flamboyant, and empathic gangsters, Harlem's Queen of Numbers, a crook with a social conscience.